Reproduction is a fundamental feature of all organisms to give rise to offsprings of their own. In the human reproductive process, two kinds of sex cells or gametes are involved, the male gamete or sperm and the female gamete or egg. This gamete formation is called gametogenesis, which is a process by which haploid gametes are produced from the diploid or haploid precursor cells. It is two types, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. First, we will see spermatogenesis, formation of spermatozoa. It takes place in the seminiferous tubule of the testis. There, a spermatogonium cell undergoes mitotic division and forms primary spermatocytes, followed by meiotic division and produces secondary spermatocytes and spermatids, which lead to mature sperms. Sperm cells are the smallest human cells. Sperms are composed of over 200 separated proteins, vitamins and minerals. The sperm regeneration cycle takes place about 74 days. A normal sperm count ranges from 15 million sperm to more than 200 million sperm per milliliter of semen. Structure of a human sperm. A human sperm consists of three main parts: head, middle piece and tail. A plasma membrane envelops the whole body of sperm. Sperm head contains an elongated haploid nucleus, the anterior portion of which is covered by a cap-like structure called acrosome. The acrosome is filled with an enzyme called hyaluronidase that helps the sperm to enter the ovum. A short neck connects the head and middle piece comprises the centrioles. The middle piece contains the mitochondria, which provides energy for the movement of tail. The sperm use their tails to push themselves into the epididymis, where they complete their development. The sperm then move to the vas deferens or sperm duct. The seminal vesicles and prostate gland produce a whitish fluid called seminal fluid, which mixes with the sperm to form semen. Now, the next is oogenesis, formation of ova. The process of oogenesis begins before the birth of a female child. At birth, a baby girl has approximately 2 million eggs in her ovaries. Oogenesis takes place at the outermost layer of ovaries. It starts with a germ cell called an oogonium. During oogenesis, the oogonia become primary oocytes, undergoes meiosis I and forms the first polar body and secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte undergoes meiosis II and forms an ovum and a second polar body. The first polar body undergoes meiosis II and forms two polar bodies. Structure of ovum. Despite its large size, it's the only animal cell you can see with the naked eye. The ovum is surrounded by three membranes. The plasma membrane is surrounded by inner thin zona pellucida and an outer thick corona radiata. The corona radiata is formed of follicle cells. The membrane forming the surface layer of the ovum is called Whitelin membrane. The fluid-filled space between zona pellucida and the surface of the egg is called peri-Whitelin space. It contains abundant cytoplasm and nucleus. The nucleus in an egg cell is referred to as the germinal vesicle, the nucleolus as the germinal spore, and the cytoplasm as the ooplasm. These human sperm and ovum has only haploid set, that is 23 chromosomes, will get fertilized and forms a diploid zygote with 46 chromosomes. This is the significance of gametogenesis.